Ensure that the pre-assembly device is operational. For more information, please refer to the respective operating instructions of the pre-assembly device. Insert the appropriate tools into the pre-assembly device. Push the union nut and the cutting ring over the end of the tube, one after another. Provide the cutting ring with suitable lubricant to facilitate assembly. Close the hydraulic circuit with the hand wheel. Use the pressure level table to determine the necessary assembly pressure by means of the outside diameter of the tube. Now pump with the mounting lever until the required pressure is reached. Now open the hydraulic circuit again so that the work piston retracts. Caution, please hold the hand lever tight when opening the hydraulic valve. Now remove the pre-assembled tube. A visual inspection is mandatory after each pre-assembly. To do this, loosen the union nut and check the raised part of the collar. The cutting face must be at least 80% covered. The cutting ring is allowed to rotate on the tube. Remove any soiling before final assembly.